Sketcher 1688 California over to 1588 California over to Irie Smith. Special attention Speedway units, TRICOMs. I reaching officer needs assistance at Sketcher 1688 California over to Geneva.
Aurora Police.
Hey, it's TRICOM. Referencing our iReach, our officer was battered, and we are looking at you guys to go out to an address with plate is coming back out of Aurora.
Sure, what's the address? Okay, and who are we looking for?
Can I give you the 28? It comes back with the name.
Yeah, go ahead. And this is related to an ex-police officer?
Yes, and we do have charges.
Number. What else is southbound Briarcliff?
Alright. It's southbound Briarcliff through Berman. Call to pursuit. Speed's 30 miles an hour. There's no traffic. Coming up to 25 maybe. 38 miles an hour, no traffic through Boulder Hill Pass. You're going to do a right turn on Boulder Hill Pass. He's going to go north on 25. North on 25 through the stop sign. There's no traffic. Speeds are 30.
Sam 3, I'm monitoring. We have a secondary unit to take over comms, and let's ensure we only have 3 units. No traffic, speeds are about 65.
Yeah, I got like 5 cars behind me, but it's mostly county cars. I'm going northbound 25, 70 miles an hour.
Music 70 miles per hour?
Yep. Coming up northbound 25 to Ashland. No traffic, 70 miles an hour.
Take over comms just to clarify that we have 3 units in pursuit. Moving southbound. 25. Permission for 6. I'm on the set up for 6. Permission for 6.
Just did a right turn on the mill. Right turn on the mill. Oh, God damn it.
Coming out.
Number 2, we're on Mill Street. Going southeast north.
Going northbound on Broadway. Fucking radio, what the fuck?
Give me a speed.
I'm trying, these radios suck. 55 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour. We're going northbound on Broadway from River. No traffic.
Permission for 6, yes or no?
Yes, do it carefully.
Good 6, good 6.
Was that successful? That looked good.
Yes, closer, 2-3.
Alright, northbound Broadway coming up to Ashland. Speed is 75 miles an hour. There's no traffic through Ashland.
Sam 3. How many APD units at this point?
Alright, he's losing it. He's losing it. He's going to bail here. He's going to bail here. Get your hands up! Hands up! on the ground! Get on the ground! It's gotta go! Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired by police. Isn't it? He's gonna bail here. He's gonna bail here. Put your hands up! Hands up! Hey, everyone back! Go! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired by police. Put your hands up! Hands up! Okay. I want heavy head right here, heavy head. Do you want the dog or do you want... Relax! I got you. Slow. Give commands.
Show me your hands, guys! Don't fucking move! Move! Don't move!
You want to send them?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold. Show me your hands! Hands! Dush! Move up!
Cover the car.
Back.
Loose!